Hi, it's Denise. Just got back from my run. Can you tell I'm a little bit hot and sweaty, but it wasn't so bad today, actually. I just wanted to quickly record this because I want you to see what my breakfast and my morning snack will be. All right, I'm going to turn this down and hopefully you will see it. Okay. All right, sorry about that. What you're seeing is my oatmeal with peanut butter, and it usually has local honey in it, but I ran out of honey, and it's my fault because I didn't ask Stephanie to get some more. Um, One scrambled egg and two egg whites, and my Shakeology is my morning snack. Well, actually, that's for now. And then my protein shake will be my morning snack. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? Well, what was going on was I wasn't eating enough. Again, this is always my problem. I always forget to eat enough for what I'm doing. And as I mentioned yesterday, I'm training for 2 triathlons in August. I've got a marathon coming up end of October. I've got a 60-some mile bike ride coming up, I think it's beginning of October. Then there's another half marathon in December. So I wasn't losing weight. With all that training, I was gaining weight. Okay, so that's why I wanted to show you how much you really need to eat. So take today and start journaling everything you're eating. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.